Yan.
Okay. Two major issues, two national issues, the impeachment of the Vice President and Senator Bato de la Rosa. What is your message to the new leadership of the Senate?
Okay, ganito na lang. I've known Senator Cayetano, hopeless na yan. I'm just looking forward na...
What do you mean hopeless na yan?
Talagang doon siya kung saan mali eh. Di ba? So, kung ano what's good for him. Kaya I'm just hoping that this leadership change is temporary at the soonest time possible mapalitan na ito para ma-restore yung sanity at dignity ng Senado. Kasi ito yung ginagawa nila, they're creating one constitutional crisis after another para lang maproteksyonan nila interest sila. Pero hindi naman tatagal yun. And I hope through public pressure, media pressure, and the civil society ma-pressure itong Senado as an institution, the senators,